Jost is a global company that has manufacturing facilities in 18 different countries, making it the largest supplier of fifth wheels, kingpins, landing gear, and turntables in the world. In North America, Jost has two manufacturing facilities. Our headquarters, located in Grand Haven, Michigan, produces landing gear, kingpins, and turntables, while our Tennessee facility manufactures our fifth wheel product line. The landing gear product line begins with tubing of the highest quality, formed to very tight tolerances to provide the required support for the lift screw. Each part must freely pass a plug gauge on the inside and a ring gauge over the outside. The second most important component of the landing gear is the lift screw. This process starts in a lean cell using a cold rolled bar. First, the bar is necked in a CNC lathe, then transferred to a walking beam conveyor where it is drilled and finally transferred to one of two thread rolling machines. Out of the end of the line pops a finished landing gear screw. The process is controlled by the operator using micrometers to check each feature. The third most important part is the lift nut. This part starts with Austemper ductile iron casting. Incoming material is inspected for dimensions and hardness. Then each nut is pressure tested to verify that it is indeed ductile iron. The nut is then loaded into a machine where it is automatically drilled and tapped. The most amazing part of the landing gear production is the diversity of the products that are made. The assembly process is a symphony of hundreds of different parts and processes that must all be orchestrated perfectly for each leg. On average, 20 different landing gear designs are built each day. Jost International has developed a leadership position within our industry and continues to imagine the future of trucking through our advanced technology. One example of that technology is our Smart Gap system, which helps improve vehicle aerodynamics by closing the gap between the tractor and the trailer. This fifth wheel is moved dynamically using a hydraulic power unit that is controlled by an independent computer that detects changes in the vehicle's speed. When traveling in a straight line at highway speeds, the system closes the gap between the tractor and the trailer. When the system senses a reduction in speed, it moves back to increase the gap. If there is an emergency or the vehicle needs to turn, a hydraulic accumulator releases oil to push the trailer back within 1.5 seconds. The Jost SDR trailer rear diffuser is a second aerodynamic device that diverts the airflow off the top of the trailer, deflecting it down behind the trailer. This breaks up the turbulence and the vacuum caused by the box shape of the trailer to improve fuel economy. The tractors and trailers of tomorrow will look vastly different from those we see on the roads today. Access to accessories such as airlines and light cords will become limited. The fifth wheel and landing gear will become lost behind walls of plastic and steel. With this glimpse of the future, Jost has developed systems to meet those needs today. The KKS system was designed to automate the coupling and uncoupling process by automatically connecting the airline and light cord, raising and lowering the landing gear, and coupling the fifth wheel. After years of product development and testing, the KKS was awarded the European Trailer Safety Innovation Award at the 2009 Hanover Truck Show. The ISO committee has selected this product as the international standard for the future coupling systems. Extending from the rear of the fifth wheel are all the power and air connections, which are protected from the elements. The trailer upper coupler is equipped with a bolt-in kingpin and a swiveling throat block that contains the female connectors. Wires from the throat block connect the landing gear drive unit. As the vehicle couples, the doors of the couplers automatically open. The connection is made. After the fifth wheel couples, the driver signals the landing gear to automatically retract. Tridect product is a line of various power steering axles used for improved maneuverability in tight areas. This particular hull moved nuclear spent fuel to Yucca Mountain and took 3 years of planning, as well as highly specialized vehicles. Each corner was planned individually, and with the help of the Tridect steering solution, the load was carried safely around cities and mountains to its destination.